Eliminate tooth stripping and enhance your Milwaukee M18 cutting performance with the professional MK Morse 24 TPI porta-band blade. This quality American-made porta-band is designed to boost power and performance while delivering fast, clean cuts in a variety of material. The 35 and 3/8 inch long porta-band blade will fit the Milwaukee M18 and will excel in cutting materials thinner than a 14 gauge thickness. The 24 TPI blade cuts prime applications, such as a rigid conduit for electrical, strut, threaded rod, and pipe. The teeth of the 24 TPI blade are designed with an alternating tooth pattern, which improves blade life, reduces stress, and leaves a clean, workable finish. This American-made blade is engineered to reduce problematic vibrations that strip teeth and cause blade chatter. At Sawblade.com, we manufacture quality American bandsaw blades that are made to order, and we offer an extensive line of sawing products. We also sell circular blades, coolant, machines, and aftermarket parts. So you can think of Sawblade.com as your one-stop shop for all your sawing needs. Thanks for watching, and please check out Sawblade.tv for more in-depth videos, product overviews, and tech tips to take your cutting game to the next level. I'm Celeste, product specialist at Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.